One.
Field and Burndon in the morning.
Alright, we have some of Linus' favorite things here today. We have Alfred. And we have
Treats.
pepperonis.
We're going to try to teach Linus our names. You want to go first?
Are you excited? Hey, Linus. Sit. Sit. Where's Mama Crystal? Where's Mama Crystal? She's over there. Oh, that's cute. Linus, she's over there.
I'm Mama Crystal. Yay! Yeah, there you go. Okay, Linus, sit. Sit. Good boy. Linus, where's Alfred? Where's Alfred? Go get Alfred, Linus. Where's Alfred? Where's Alfred? Oh, no, Alfred. Alfred! Hey, Linus. Come here. Sit. Where's Auntie Stephanie? Where's Auntie Stephanie? Go get Auntie Stephanie. No?
Yeah, that's me. I'm Auntie Stephanie. Good boy. Linus. 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 Sit. What a good boy. Linus, where's Mama Crystal? Where's Mama Crystal? It's me. Perfect. Wow, this has been Field and Burndon in the morning. Good boy. Oh, yeah.